Should I learn Adobe Dreamweaver?
Are you dreaming of creating cascading style sheets?
I don't get it.
Adobe Dreamweaver is a web development application, but we often see it used to turn content into CSS.
I've heard of it being used to create HTML for web pages.
Adobe Dreamweaver lets you create WordPress themes too.
Which is better for a budding web developer? HTML or Adobe Dreamweaver?
Well, you can create great pages in Adobe. Adobe is proprietary. HTML is essentially universal.
You can get Dreamweaver for both Microsoft and iOS systems.
Some people like Adobe Dreamweaver because you can edit compatible web pages directly from the site or work locally. However, HTML lets you edit any web page regardless of the tools used to create it.
I've seen cool pages created using Adobe Dreamweaver.
For basic pages, you have to know HTML. And you may need HTML to get the content you made with Dreamweaver to show up correctly or properly link between pages.
Dreamweaver creates web pages without the need to know HTML.
You have to know HTML when you need to change the markup, whether the page was written in HTML or created using Dreamweaver.
It sounds like Dreamweaver is a nightmare to use.
Some people think Dreamweaver is easy to use. Others like it because you can switch between the code view and design view easily.
Then I'll learn Dreamweaver.
Learn HTML to get the foundations of web design. Then take up Dreamweaver to simplify the creation of big websites, while understanding what you're doing.
Then I can achieve my dream of making a living in web design.
You're daydreaming. It is a lot harder to get a job in web design than you think, no matter which tools you have mastered.